Hello and welcome to Review Trackers. In the last video, we showed you how to log into Review Trackers. In this video, we're going to show you how to manually ask for reviews. When you log into Review Trackers, it will take you to your dashboard, which will look roughly like this. One caveat for this video I'd like to mention is that this is the master Review Trackers login for Chem-Dry. So it's going to look a little bit different than yours, but it still should look similar enough that you'll be able to follow along with this video.
Let's click on Ask for Reviews right here from the top of the dashboard. Under Ask for Reviews, this is the Overview tab, and the Overview is a snapshot of your campaign metrics.
To compose a review request, you can either click the Compose tab or the Send Request button. Either of these will take you to the same place. Now we are under the Compose tab. It prompts us to enter a location, but for you, you should only have one location. If you do have multiple franchises, then it will prompt you to select the location here as well. Now that we have selected a location, we are taken to this screen, where we can choose either to have an email template or an SMS text template. You can see here below some default templates that come with Review Trackers. We recommend choosing the RR Default Review Request template. This is where we will compose our request for review. You'll see here prompts for you to enter your name, your email, and the email subject. This has default information already, but you can customize it for your name, your email, and a subject that you would like. Below, you can see the logo and header. This already has a logo and a header that it will put in for you, but you can update your own. Below the logo and header, you'll see your message. This already has a message for you, which you can update and customize for yourself, or in this case, we're just going to keep it the way that it is. Below the message are the review sources. You have two options for review sources. You can let Review Trackers choose for you, or you manually can select where you want the reviews to be sent. We recommend always choosing Google, and in this case we only have two, so we're just going to choose both. You can also preview to see what this will look like when your customers receive it. This is a preview of the email that we just composed. If you've decided that you think that this email looks the way that you want it to look, go ahead and exit the preview and continue with your review request. Now that we've previewed our email and we're okay with it, we're going to hit next. There's two ways that you can add recipients. You can either upload an email list through a CSV, or you can insert the emails manually. In this video, we'll show you how to insert the emails manually. On this page, you will see a text area where you can enter the emails that you want to send the review requests to. You can add up to 50 emails, and you must have one email per line. No need to add separators such as commas. For example, we have test@test.com. Let's say I wanted to add another email. I could just click enter and enter that email here. You also have the option to send a copy to yourself. Once you have entered all of your emails, click the Send Request button, and Review Trackers will send the request to review to the emails you specified. Next, we will show you how to send an SMS text request for review. Go back to the Compose tab.
From this screen, you have the choice to choose an email or an SMS text. In this example, I want to show you how to send an SMS text. You have two default options. We recommend that you use the RR Default Review Request template. Okay, so here we have our text box, which will pull this information. Text is very short and sweet, and it will pull your Chem-Dry name into this area. You can see the preview to the right in green. On the screen, you also have the option to choose your review sources. Smart Suggest would allow Review Trackers to choose which review sources this will be sent to, or you can manually select sources to ensure that Google, for example, is chosen. We also recommend Facebook and Yelp if you have those, and that would be where you would select those. Once you're ready to send that, you'll just hit Next. You have two options to add recipients, just as you do with email. You can upload a CSV, or you can insert phone numbers. We're going to show you in this video how to insert phone numbers. Under Add Recipients in our text box, it's going to give you 3 ways to format the phone number. So these all work equally well, and you just add 1 per line. Again, no need to add a comma, and you can do up to 50 at a time. We do recommend that you submit your request within 48 hours of service. That is proven to have the most likely response rate from your customer. Also, generally, customers are more likely to respond to a text than they are to an email. Once your phone numbers are entered, all you need to do now is hit Send Request.
With OnTrack, email requests are automatically sent out when you change a work order to an invoice. If you have a customer that you do not want to send a review to, put their email in OnTrack in the Notes section, not the email section. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.